When it comes to helping your clients achieve their fitness goals, having a well-structured workout plan is key. A well-designed workout plan not only acts as a roadmap that helps guide your clients towards their desired results, but it also ensures they make the most out of their time at the gym. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of a workout plan, delve into the essential components that should be included, and provide a detailed step-by-step guide on creating a winning workout plan for your clients. So here are 5 ways a workout plan benefits your clients. Number 1 is goal clarity. A workout plan helps you outline and clearly define your clients' fitness goals. Whether their aim is to build muscle, lose weight, increase endurance, or improve overall health, having a specific plan in place helps to keep them focused, motivated, and accountable. By knowing exactly what your clients want to achieve, you can tailor their workouts and track their progress more effectively. Number 2 is progress tracking. Having a workout plan helps you track your clients' progress over a set period of time. Not only does it keep them motivated, but it also provides them with a sense of accomplishment as they hit certain milestones. By monitoring your clients' performance and measuring their results, you can make adjustments to their plans when necessary and celebrate their achievements along the way. And the good news is, Trainerize can make this even easier by allowing you to track multiple personal training clients' progress at once. Number 3 is time efficiency. Having a structured plan helps ensure that your clients utilize their workout time efficiently. Without a plan, it's easy for people to get lost in the gym or spend excessive time on exercises that may not align with their goals. By knowing exactly what exercises to perform, how many sets and repetitions to complete, and how long each session should last, you can help make every minute of your client's workout count. Number 4 is balanced training. A well-designed workout plan ensures that your clients follow a well-balanced approach to their fitness routine. It includes exercises that target different muscle groups and incorporates various types of workouts like strength training, cardiovascular exercise, and flexibility work. And as you know, a comprehensive approach promotes overall fitness, prevents muscle imbalances, and reduces the risk of injuries. And the 5th way a workout plan can benefit your clients is adaptability. Life is dynamic and circumstances change. For instance, if they have limited access to equipment, you can adjust your plan to include more bodyweight exercises or explore alternative workout options. The ability to adapt your plan ensures continued progress and prevents plateaus in your client's journey. Now let's discuss key components to include in your client's workout plans. If you're just getting started building workout plans, you can also use Trainerize as an easy template as a starting point. Then you can easily edit and customize to make it your own. Here are some things you should make sure to include whether you're using a template or building a workout from scratch. A warm-up and a cool-down. Every effective workout plan begins with a warm-up and ends with a cool-down. Warm-up exercises prepare your clients' bodies for an upcoming workout by increasing blood flow to their muscles, raising their body temperature, and improving their joint mobility. A proper warm-up also reduces your client's risk of injuries and enhances their overall performance. Similarly, a cool-down session allows your clients' bodies to gradually transition from a higher intensity to a resting state. It helps them lower their heart rate, release tension in their muscles, and prevent post-workout stiffness. Another key component you should include in your client's workout plans is cardiovascular exercise. Incorporating cardiovascular exercise into your client's workout plan offers numerous health benefits. Activities like running, cycling, swimming, or using cardio machines elevate their heart rate, improve cardiovascular health, increase stamina, and burn calories. Aim to have your personal training clients do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic exercise per week, or a combination of both for optimal cardiovascular fitness. The next component is strength training. Including strength training in your client's workout plans is essential for building muscle strength, increasing bone density, and improving overall body composition. Strength training can involve anything from lifting weights, using resistance bands, or performing bodyweight exercises. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week, targeting different muscle groups each time. Next up is mobility work. Be sure to add dedicated time in your workout plans for clients for stretching exercises or practices like yoga to enhance joint mobility, flexibility, and prevent injuries. As you know, stretching is important because it helps improve your range of motion, reduces muscle tension, and promotes recovery. And the last component is rest and recovery. Lastly, many people underestimate the importance of rest and recovery in a workout plan. Allow for regular rest days to give your clients' bodies time to repair and rebuild muscles. Adequate rest, along with proper nutrition and quality sleep, ensure optimal recovery, which is crucial for making progress and preventing burnout. Pro tip, you can also offer habit coaching to help keep your clients on track day to day. Finally, a well-designed workout plan is a valuable tool that helps bring structure, motivation, and direction to your client's fitness journey. By understanding the benefits of a workout plan, knowing the essential components to include, and following a step-by-step guide to create winning plans, you can help your clients optimize workouts, achieve their fitness goals, and enjoy a healthier and more active lifestyle. ABC Trainerize is a cutting-edge personal training software that empowers fitness professionals to develop tailored workout programs with ease. With ABC Trainerize, you can efficiently create personalized workout plans, track progress, monitor results, and communicate to keep clients motivated. To start your own online training business, start your free trial of ABC Trainerize today. Just check out the link in the description, and I'll see you guys later.